Okay, students. So very simple question. A particle moves from the point this is the initial position of the particle at time t is equals to 0 and with the initial velocity. So initial velocity is also given, that is 5 I cap plus 4 j cap, of course, meter per second. It is acted upon by a constant force. So force is constant. So F is equals to ma. So if force is constant, mass is of course constant. So acceleration will also be constant. So the acceleration is 4 I cap plus 4 j cap meter per second square. So we have to tell this distance. So it's quite simple. So this distance means we have done this question earlier also. You can assume this as Ri. You can assume this as Rf. The position vector means from the origin, right? These are the position vectors from origin. So Ri is given to you and Rf, yes, you need to find, and then you will be subtracting. So displacement, this you have to find the displacement vector first. That will be Rf minus Ri. We have just done this right today. R21 is equals to R2 minus R1. You can say it like this also. If you assume this as 1 and this as 2. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is your origin. So this is your R1 position vector, this is your R2 position vector, and you are reaching 2 from 1. Okay, so you can write this as R21 also, and you can write it as delta R also. That's your choice. And this R21 or this delta R, so you can see that this is triangular law of addition. So R21, R1 plus R21 is equals to R2. So R1 plus R21 is equals to R2. So R21 is equals to R2 minus R. Right? We have done it. So students, you can solve this question now. Right? So we have the equation S is equals to ut plus, because acceleration is constant, that is why, because this is constant, so that is why we can use this equation, otherwise not. So S is equal to ut plus half at square, and so this is your displacement. So what you get from here, so means you get actually delta R. So this S is nothing but your delta R, or you can say it R21. That's the same thing. So that's your S. Okay. So you will get R21. You know the value of R1 or R initial vector, and you can find the final vector, right? So let us see. So this S is equals to, what is your initial velocity? This is 5 I cap plus 4 j cap plus half into 4 I cap plus 4 j cap is your acceleration into t square. So what is t? T is time, 2 seconds, so 2 square. Now this comes out to be, so this is half, so 1, 2 will be cancelled out, so 2 will be multiplied, so 4 to the 8 plus I cap will be added. So this is actually 5 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 8 I cap plus 8 j cap, right? And this can be written as,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, sorry, yeah.
2 will be also multiplied with 5 pi cap plus 4 j cap.
Oh, sorry, yes, I've forgotten 2 here. So thank you so much. So we'll get here 10 I cap plus 8 j cap, right? Good. So 10 I cap, 8 I cap will be 18 I cap plus 16 j cap. So students, that's final position minus initial position. That's your displacement. Now what is given to you? What is the value of Ri? Ri is given to you. So Rf minus Ri is your 2 I cap plus 4 j cap, right? And that's equals to 18 I cap plus 16 j cap. So from here you can find the final vector also. So final vector is equals to, so this will go this side, so this minus will become plus, right? So this is 18 plus 2, 20 I cap, plus this is minus 4 plus 4, so 20 j cap. So you have to find the what is the distance of the particle from origin. Students, that's the important point here. So this distance, no, we are not supposed to find this distance. This is your origin. We have to find this distance, means we have to find this R2. We have to find this RF vector, right? Okay. So look at the question, distance of the particle from origin. So if you, so there can be two questions. What is the distance of the particle from the initial position? If that was required, then this is the answer. You can just simply find the magnitude of this 18 square plus 16 square. So that will be the distance between initial and final position. That's your displacement, right? But now this distance is asking you to find from the origin. So that's RF. And this RF magnitude will be equals to 20 square plus 20 square. So that's 102 into 20 square, and that's equals to 20 root 2 meters. So that's absolutely correct. So students, you need to read the question carefully. Questions are very easy, but you need to see what is asked, what is required. Okay.